Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious homemade ketchup from fresh tomatoes. This ketchup is natural, fresh, and free from preservatives, and it tastes amazing with fries, burgers, and snacks. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need 6 fresh tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 clove of garlic, and half a cup of water. Fresh, ripe tomatoes will give the ketchup a rich color and sweet flavor. First, wash the tomatoes very well. Then chop them into small pieces. Now place the chopped tomatoes into a cooking pot. Add a little water and cook them for 10 minutes until they become soft. This helps release the natural juices and flavor. Once the tomatoes are soft, we blend them into a smooth sauce. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth. Now pour the blended tomato sauce back into the pot. Add sugar, salt, vinegar, and garlic. Cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce becomes thick like ketchup. Look at that beautiful thick ketchup. Allow it to cool before storing. Now let's taste it. Sweet, tangy, and absolutely delicious. And that's how easy it is to make fresh homemade ketchup in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more homemade recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.